Hello my dear students and friends and my relatives also, how are you? Now I am in agriculture field in my surroundings. Already you know mostly 75% of the Indian population have been depending upon agriculture as their main activity for their subsistence or for their existence. But this word is about 30 years back. But now only 53% of the total population have been dependent on agriculture. Why? So this is the beautiful or pleasantest climate. Watch a wonder. Now I am in this field. I am saying some words about agriculture. So many farmers, they have been sacrificing their lives to cultivate their crops betterly, to yielding or to get more yielding or less yielding based on their climatic conditions. 30 years before, so as on today, 53% of the total population have been depending upon agriculture. But during 1972 to 1973, nearly 75% of the total population in our country have depended on agriculture. But why, compared to nowadays, the population have been depending on agriculture come down considerably? Why means? So due to the unfavorable climatic conditions. As our agriculture is gamble in the monsoons, it is a backbone of Indian agriculture. It is a backbone of India. Agriculture is the backbone of India. So majority of the farmers have been living in rural areas 40 or 30 years back. But now they have been migrating from rural areas to urban areas by doing jobs in secondary sector and tertiary sector also. And what about the importance of agriculture nowadays? It has been come down considerably. Now students, now we are going to the field of maize. One farmer, Subbaya, surroundings of my house, he is cultivating maize crop nearby me. Now I am in this field, maize crop. Look at this maize crop. And what about the importance of maize? What are the climatic conditions of maize? And what are the accommodative conditions? And what about sunlight and temperature, rainfall? What are the favorable facilities to get more yielding from these crops? So this is about the maize crop. What a wonderful crop. But 30 years back you compare, but only nowadays for 1 acre 40 or 30 gunnies of maize has been getting as a yielding. But what about past days? Nearly 200 or 175 to 200 gunnies of maize got by the farmers due to so many favorable climatic conditions available in those days. Abundant water facilities and also sunlight also available there. But nowadays there is no importance to agriculture, as my opinion, as so many farmers have been migrating from rural areas to urban areas. So for out of 10 members, 10 agricultural farmers, 2 or 3 members they migrated from rural areas to urban areas. And what about the prices of all commodities, whether food grain or non-food grain? The prices of all commodities like paddy, maize, brinjal, potato, and also pulses. These all food grains, these all prices of all commodities, and goods have been increasing. It is very impossible to bear by the middle class people. So this is about importance of agriculture nowadays. Thank you. Students, you know mostly, but nowadays why yielding from all types of crops have been declining? Why means? Due to unfavorable climatic conditions. Every farmer, as per my opinion, he has to be depending on not only natural supplying of rainfall, but also artificial supplying of rainfall, means water also, like digging wells, canals, and also tanks also. Unless digging of canals or tanks, it is impossible to get more yielding or production from all types of crops. We can't say when rainfall will come. We can't say whether the rainfall, if it will come, the rainfall is suitable or not. We can't say. We can't say how much rainfall will come, at what time the rainfall will come, how much quantity of the rainfall will come, to which crop, how much quantity of rainfall is suitable to that crop to get more yielding. We can't say. That's why so many crops have been drowning if rainfall is more. So many crops are drying, means they become dried when rainfall is not less. That's why farmers, they are committing suicide as they are getting less profit. Along with family members, they are committing suicide. So this is the bad importance, means bad events of farmer nowadays in Indian agriculture. Thank you.